Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a reminder on your Android device, whether it's for an important meeting, a doctor's appointment, or a simple to-do list item. Setting reminders ensures you never miss a beat. Let's get started. First, let's open the Google app or use the Google Assistant. You can do this by tapping on the Google app icon or by saying, "Hey Google." Once Google Assistant is open, you can simply set a reminder. Google Assistant will then prompt you for more details. Set a reminder. Now you need to enter what title you want to give. For example, remind me to call mom at 6 p.m. Next, Google Assistant will simply remind the reminder. If you want to edit the time and date of the reminder, you can simply do it. Simply input the details as prompted. If you want the reminder to repeat, you can also set the recurrence frequency. Once you've entered all the details, Google Assistant will then confirm your reminder. You'll also receive a notification confirming that your reminder has been set. And that's it. Now you know how to set reminders on your Android device using Google Assistant. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.